Today I'm going to show you how to add music within CapCut. I have a project open right now where there's a video. I'm going to delete the end card. And now you can see my video has music in it already. If I hit play. Now that's nice music, but that's music that I don't want, so I want to change the audio. What I would do here is I would select the current video, and at the bottom, I'm going to export the audio and delete it. So all the way towards the right, there should be extract audio. So I'm going to extract the audio that's in the current video and click it and just delete it. Now my video is ready for new music. So at the bottom, you can see you can either extract music from a different file. You can go to the sounds, the sound effects, or you can record your own audio. Extract would be extracting it from a video, sort of like what we just did. But I want to show you sounds. So if I go into sounds, you can see all of the recommended audio that CapCut suggests. The file icon will show you any audio that you have on your device that you can import. I don't have any here, but if you had any, it would be listed here. You can also connect to your TikTok account to increase the audio options that you have from within TikTok. You can go to your saved audio here, which I have a few AI music saved that I've created. And then on the right-hand side, this AI music, this is a really cool feature that I'm actually going to show you right now how to use. If you clicked generate more, which I'm going to do now, this is going to create any type of music you're looking for that's copyright free, so you can use it in your videos without getting in trouble. So for me, I like to do tutorials and I like to have a calm background music behind my videos. So you just want to describe what type of music you're looking for it to create for you. So I'm going to say calm and soothing background music. Now all I do is click generate. And typically it gives you about 3 different options. Yep, it gave me 3 new tracks that I can listen to before deciding if I want to keep any of them. So I'm going to click on each of them to hear what they sound like. Okay, I kind of liked this first one, so I'm going to click on it. And I can either save this to my favorites so I can find it again, which I'm going to do. It added to my favorites. And then I'm going to hit the plus icon to import it into my video. So now you can see it dropped the track underneath my video, and I'm going to play it now. And you shouldn't hear any original audio. You should just hear our new AI music. Okay, that looks great. Now I want to cut the audio track so that it ends when my video ends. So you see how I have my cursor highlighted right over the end point of my video. I'm going to click on the audio track and hit split at the bottom. And then it's already highlighting the right-hand side, the rest of the audio. So I'm going to just delete that. So now I have an audio clip that is exact same length as my video. At the bottom, you can also see Sound FX. If you click on that, you can literally type in anything you want and it'll come up with something. So I'm just going to say fish. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, that one's kind of cool. So I'm going to import that water sound into my project. Now you can see it fell to the bottom where my cursor was. So I'm just going to highlight it and just drag it to match my beginning of my file. So now I have 2 different audios. I have my top one, which is the music, and then the bottom one, which is a sound effect. So now if I play it, you can hear both of them together. And then the other thing I just want to talk about was sound. So you can click on volume, and that's going to control whatever clip you have highlighted. So if I want to just put this sound effect lower in the background. So when you have it at 100, that's standard, usual sound, but if you make it lower, it can make it. And then finally, the other piece I want to bring up is fading. So I use fading a lot in every video. It's how you can make your music come in gradually and go out gradually. So I have my audio clip highlighted. I'm going to click fade, and you can fade it in, which means it'll start soft and go louder. And you can see the little icon changing a little bit where it becomes a curve. So I'm going to set it like that. And then I'm also going to fade out. You can see that curve happening at the bottom as well, where it fades out at the end of the video. Perfect. And then finally, the other part of audio would be record. You can record your voice. You can also do audio effects at the bottom. If you click on it, you'll see a ton of different options for voice filters. So if I were to record my own voice, you can change your voice to any of these many options to change your voice. They also have a voice characters option and a fun speech to song to make it sound like you're singing. And that is it. I hope that you found some value in this video. Have a great day.